Okay, so this time I will show you a simple program by the use of Python language. So this is my terminal in my Linux setup. So I just go to my folder which I have named Python, and then in this Python folder I will be opening a new text file, so which I name as suppose new1.py. So I just open this text file. Okay, I have this text file with me. Now in this text file, what I will do is I will write my program in this text file. So suppose I will try to input two numbers. It may be integer number or float number. Suppose I start with integer numbers at the very beginning. Suppose I put some a equals to 5, I put some b equals to 7, and then I take another c which I call c equals to a plus b. C is my new variable, and then I would like to print my result. So this is the command to print. So print is the command to print the output. So print the sum is, okay, and then whatever I do is I write C. So C will be my output. So this much is the Python program. So you see that it's a very simple user friendly environment. So I just save it, and then I have to run my terminal. In the terminal I have to run this program. So the code is Python, and then you need to write new1.py. So this way the code will be compiled. So I compile the code, you see, you get the sum, that is the sum is 12. So whatever you have written over here on the script, so that appears at the output. So this is one of the way to get your required task. Now there is another approach that a and b are not fixed, but a and b are at the control of the user, and we can input a and b ourselves. So then what approach should we follow? So then we should not fix the values of a and b in this way, but whatever we will do is a and b. So this is input. So I write it as input, that is I will input this externally and then input. So obviously in Python 3, that is what I am using over here, I must mention that kind of the variables, that is whether it is float or it is integer or something else. Okay, for the beginning I put them to be integer. So this is my integer. So this is one of my integer, and b is my another integer. So I put another integer, that is b. So a and b are my integers. If I want to make it more user friendly, so then I can write it over here. So I provide a print statement, that print enter the first number. So whatever I write it over here, so that will be just copied on my terminal. So similarly I can also, so this is just for a good texture to your program, nothing else, and enter the second number. So this much. So this is enough. So let me compile it again once more. So I compile the program. So you see that at the very beginning whatever I get is enter the first number. So I enter the first number. Suppose that my first number is 5. Enter the second number, let it be -7. So as you understand, the result should be -2. So again I enter it. I am just using the enter key of my keyboard. So once I press it, you see that the sum is -2. So that is what, this is a very simple Python program. So we may discuss some advanced features of Python also. So this is just for a particular demo. Thank you.